Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically trade your, extract your plants and how you can convert them to XPs in the new Plants versus Brainrot update. So in this Plants versus Brainrots update, you're just going to go to Central Island. Make sure you have that opened. You're then going to convert your plants to XPs by doing this. Get your plants and place plant. You do need 5 plants. I don't know if I have enough. Okay, I do need a plant, one more plant, because I literally just sold them. So, well, I think I'm just going to go back to my garden and I'm going to take a watermelon because I already have a watermelon seed anyway, so I'm just going to shovel one. I'm just going to replant one. Simple. Don't gotta make it a big deal, you know. Well, yes, okay. Place plant, and then it's going to extract XPs from the plant, I'm assuming, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. And 3, 2, 1. This is what it looks like. You just claim it and you get, oh, you get it in a flask. Let me see what it looks like actually. This is the first time I've done it, so I don't know. Oh, this is what it looks like. I think it's just to gain XPs and stuff like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.